welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be making strawberry pie. Now guys, disclaimer, I have never cooked strawberry, I've never baked strawberry pie before, but Roger said that he wanted a strawberry pie, so we went on Google and we found a recipe, and you're gonna watch me do this. Now, pass or fail, you're gonna see what happens, and I'm gonna walk you through as I do this. Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients that I need. I have lard to make the crust, and of course flour, and then for the filling, I have strawberries over here that I pre-cut, and cornstarch to thicken it up a bit. We have butter, we have salt, we have cinnamon, and we got our rolling pin. So this is gonna be fun, guys. So guys, now we have 2 cups of flour, and we added 1 teaspoon of salt, and we have prepared 8 tablespoons of ice water, and we have the shortening here. So we're gonna have I think is 2/3 of a cup, and we're gonna add it to our flour like that. I do have a mixer, but I choose not to do that because I don't want to get it dirty. So now we're gonna mix that in. Okay guys, so this is our dough. We added the flour, the salt, and the ice water, and we mix it together. You can use your spoon or you can use your hands. And if you don't use your hands, at some point you're gonna have to use your hands because we're gonna have to roll the dough. But now we're gonna put this aside and we are gonna do the filling. So we're gonna start off with 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar. And then we're gonna add 1/3 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour or pastry flour. And then we added 3 tablespoons of cornstarch just to thicken the filling. And then we added 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Perfect. And then we mix that together. So remember, you can add more sugar if you want to, but for me, I don't like when it's too sweet. So this is enough for me. And then we're just gonna add in the strawberries. Oh, let's try it to see if it's good. So good. We're gonna add it in. Now you decide how many strawberries you wanna put in there. I like a lot of strawberries, that's why you see there's so much in there. And then you just lightly toss it. Perfect. And while we're doing this, guys, remember to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect. And this is now ready. So now, guess what, guys? We're gonna roll the dough. We're gonna get back to our dough. So we're gonna break the dough in 2 because you need a part for the base and then a part on top. And then you're gonna sprinkle some flour on a flat surface. That's clean, of course, Corona. And then you're gonna roll with your rolling pin. Now, I want to roll this out into, I think my pan is a 9-inch pan, so I wanna roll this out into a 9-inch. As you see that, you can tell that our pastry is gonna be very flaky and nice based on how it looks right now. So you just have to roll it out evenly. Okay guys, so for this story, so when I was doing the batter and stuff, it wasn't holding together when I was rolling it, so I was like, maybe I should add eggs. So I did, and then it started to hold together a little bit better. I'm not saying you should use eggs. We'll see what happens when it actually comes out of the oven. But that's what I did, and I'm pretty proud of what it looks like right now. So we'll see how it really ends up. The pie adventure. Guy, I layered up the crust in the pie pan. Please don't judge my pie pan. My pie crust is my first time. And then we're gonna add in the batter. So guys, it looks good so far. Now we're gonna put the top part on. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like before I put it in the oven. Doesn't look bad for the first time, hey? Remember to poke some holes in the top of it? Yep, and then we're gonna put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, this is the finished product. We're gonna cut it and we're gonna have a tasting. Let's see.
So guys, it looks beautiful, but this was a epic fail. I would not advise you follow this recipe. The inside was super runny. The crust tasted good, but the inside was super runny. So yeah, do not try this at home.
But thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and also follow me on Instagram at snapfitbyshar, and also follow me at glow_cos on Instagram. Yay! See you next time, guys.